Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your Chromebook and backing up important files immediately. Use Google Drive or an external 16 GB flash drive for backups. Developer mode will power wash the device and erase local data permanently. Confirm you remember your Google account credentials for later sign-in. Check that you can connect to Wi-Fi or a wired network during setup and recovery. Know your device model if you need firmware instructions specific to that Chromebook later. Power off the Chromebook completely before starting the key sequence. Press ESC plus refresh plus power simultaneously to open the recovery screen on most models. When the recovery prompt appears, press Ctrl plus D to begin enabling developer mode on the device. Confirm the prompt that asks to disable OS verification and accept to proceed. The system will reboot and then display a message about OS verification being off. Wait through the process, which takes about 10 minutes on average. After developer mode enables, the Chromebook shows a warning screen each boot. You can press Ctrl plus D to bypass the warning or simply wait 30 seconds to continue booting. The device now allows shell access, a DB, and installing Linux containers for development. Be careful because local data is not protected by standard OS verification protections anymore. If you want to re-enable verified boot, you must power wash and return to stock mode using recovery media.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.